Hello everyone, this is speckyfoodie. Today's menu will be Salmon Patty Burger. Seems like it's a hard dish to make, but it's fun and easy. And so let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients. Cut the burger buns into two, so you have the top and the bottom. Remove any bones from the salmon. Then remove the skin, but do not throw away the skin. You can cook the skin later. Steam the salmon for around 5 minutes and keep it dry. Dice the onion by slicing the front and side method. Cut the cabbage into quarters, then julienne cut them. Slice the cucumber and the tomato. Dry the coriander and chop them finely. Dry the tofu as much as possible. Press and roll the lemon. Squeeze the juice out from the lemon for use later. Mix all the salmon patty mixture ingredients together. Add more breadcrumbs if it is too wet. Bring out the patty in the hand and place them on the tray. Use a frying spatula to press them gently. Or you can use your hand. You may freeze the patty for easy frying, or you can fry it directly. That's all for the preparation. And the cooking begins. At medium-low heat, add in around 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and 1.5 tablespoon of butter. Put the patties in carefully. Cover the lid so they can be cooked thoroughly. Cook each side for around 8 minutes. Add in any leftover patties mixture and the salmon skin. While cooking the skin, keep pressing it to make sure that the heat is well transferred to the skin. You can remove the skin fats to make the skin more crispy. Remove the skin once it starts to crisp up. With a clean pan, add in 1 tablespoon of butter. Fry the burger until slightly char on the inside. You can put the butter on the bread before frying too. Place the bottom of the burger on the plate and build your tower. And it's done. Let's eat. Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click like if you like the video. Let us know what food you would like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!